Tomorrow is Mother's Day and today I'm shooting this video with my mom and my bestest friend in the world. Mommy, say hi.
Hello.
Okay, Mommy, tell us, how was I as a kid?
As a kid, she was very obedient, a bit naughty. And a child, any mom or any parent would love to have.
Okay, okay, fine. I thought you would say things like awesome and amazing, but okay, I've just been hearing that for so long. Okay, so any particular story of mine that you remember?
I remember a very, very embarrassing situation. Andrella was around about 4 years old, and both of us were traveling in a public bus. And just then, a lady, she came and stood in front of us, and she had very loud makeup on her. Now, my little one, she is pulling me and telling me, "Mama, Mama, Mama," and she pointed her finger at the auntie and said, "Look, auntie has put on so much dark red lipstick," loudly. And the lady was wild and she just made big eyes at her. And I don't know, I felt so embarrassed. So yes, that is one I remember.
I was a kid and I do not do that anymore, and I love people with red lipstick. And okay, so fine. Enough.
I'm wearing red.
She's the most beautiful woman in the world.
Oh my, thanks.
Okay,
I didn't know.
Let's begin, Mommy.
Okay.
Tomorrow is Mother's Day and today we're going to play a game. It's called Who Knows Who Better. So we have questions over here, some related to me, some related to you. And we've got paper and pens. And there will be a question we're going to ask about each of us, and we both have to write the answer to it.
Okay.
Without looking at each other's papers. And at the same time, we have to show it to the camera. Okay?
Alright.
So if it's the same and it's a question about me, then you get the point. If it's a question about you and it's the same, I get the point. Let's see who's going to win. Do you think you're going to win this? Do you think you know me?
Let me think. I need to be better.
Okay, fine. Let's start. You go first. You pick a question.
And what do
Wait,
I
I can't find my pen. Oh, I found it. Yeah.
And I ask you the
Yeah.
question?
No. Yeah. Tell us the question.
What is mommy's worst memory?
What is mommy's worst memory? Okay. Fine. You need to write it there. I need to write it here. Okay. But don't show me what you're writing. I think I know this. You're done?
Yes.
Wait, don't show it right now. Oh, you're done?
Yes.
Okay, fine. So let's show it to the camera. What did you write?
Parents' death.
Oh, I wrote bus accident in school. Okay, so I don't get the point. Okay, fine. But this is true also.
Yes.
This has
I was
haunted you.
traumatized,
Yeah,
yes.
this has haunted you. Okay, I don't get the point though. Fine, now my turn. I'll pick one up. What does mommy dislike most? Her pet peeve. What do you dislike most? There are a number of things. It's not like whatever I'm thinking you're thinking too. That's not fair. Fine, let's just see what happens. I'm writing multiple answers because I don't know if you're going to write the same thing. Wait, don't write so fast. Let me think. Done?
Yes.
Fine, let's show it. Indiscipline. I wrote tardiness and indiscipline. I get the point. I know you. Okay, your turn. Why do I keep losing my pen? Your turn.
What is mommy's shoe size?
Why are all the questions for mommy? I don't know what your shoe size is. Hey! You keep it over here, okay?
Okay.
I don't know what is mommy's shoe size.
Okay, next question.
No,
Another
but
question.
you have to still answer it if there's this there. What is mommy's shoe size? I am guessing. Hey! I got it right!
You know I'm a short person, so it must be 6.
I got it right! Please. I know my mommy. Okay, fine, my turn. Again a mommy question. Name of mommy's school.
Oh, this
Do
you
you
know.
remember? I know it. I know it.
I don't think we should.
No, but these are the questions. I mean, they're from the internet. We can't help it. I can't help it if I know all the answers. Don't cheat. Done?
Yes.
Divine Child High School, Divine Child, Andheri, Mumbai. I even know the location. I should get a bonus point for this.
Done.
She hasn't stopped talking about her school life and all the 23 years that I've known her.
It was lovely. It was lovely. I miss those days.
Your turn.
Okay. What did mommy want?
Again a mommy question.
What did mommy want to become when she was in school?
I know. But then there are a number of things that you wanted to become. So which one? Okay, I think this is the one which I got it!
Yes. That
She
is
wanted
the
to be a
reason.
doctor and then now I am having to become a doctor, which is a very good thing. A very good thing, but then whatever. Yeah. Okay, my turn.
Yes.
What is Rinky most insecure about? You should know this. I don't even have to think about writing the answer. You should get this right. Insecure, mommy, not scared about it. Most insecure about my weight.
Oh, I got it wrong.
It's well, can't help it.
I quite didn't understand the question. Damn it.
That's what happens in exam. It's been a long time since you've taken one, but that's exactly how it is.
Yeah.
Okay, next question you pick up. I'm very scared of saying so.
What is Rinky's favorite TV show? I think
You
I
should know
it.
this. Okay, I keep talking about it. You should know this. If you do not know this answer, then we cannot be. Yeah! Friends! This is, I mean, no brownie points for you because I keep talking about this. I also painted it on my desk.
So when you talk, I pay attention. It shows.
At least these times. I'm not sure most times you do. Okay, next. My turn. Then now it's all going to be Rinky questions. My nickname is Rinky, by the way, for you who don't know. In case of a fire, what would Rinky save first? This answer you should know because there was a fire very recently and I wasn't at home, but the moment I rushed in, I asked the first question. Wait, I'm not done! You get it?
And tell them who is
Nomru is my life. Okay, my life depends on her. She is my little soft toy puppy. I've had her since from when I can remember, and I haven't yet spent even a single day or night without her. I take her everywhere, and she's my life. I mean, I would for sure save her first. Okay, mommy, my turn.
Oh yeah.
Okay, let's see. 2 more questions left. What is Rinky's dream destination? Where, mommy? Have I asked you to take me 1,000,000 times, but you say you won't go there with me? I just gave you a hint. There are 1,000,000 places I want to visit, but this is one place I am dying to visit. Wait, you don't show it before me. Stop. Hollywood, nahi, mummy, Maldives. I want to settle in LA.
Oh, okay.
This is your number now listening to me. You don't listen to me.
Sorry.
I also told you that you won't go there with me.
Yeah, that is the reason I remember this so well. So that you don't go there. I have to keep that in my mind.
Such a mommy thing to say. Yeah. Last question, guys.
What is Rinky's goal in life?
There's just one goal in my life. Don't cheat.
No, I'm not cheating.
Okay, done? To be an actress. World tour with mommy and Glass House in LA.
Oh my, so sweet.
But you know this.
Oh my.
All the world's in a stage and we are mere actors. So I'm already an actress.
But you had told me someday that you wanted to be an actress.
Yeah. And all this is just, a stepping stone. Don't throw me out of the house. So this was it. Clearly, I know her better and she knows me.
Sure.
But I would still like to ask you this question, Mama. How and why am I your most favorite daughter?
No, I have 2 children.
No.
They are my 2 eyes.
Mama, we all know that you love me more.
I love both of them. Now you're cheating.
Okay, so this Mother's Day, whether our moms are with us or not, let's all be sure of the fact that there's nobody who can love us more than our mommies. Thank you, mommy, for being you and for letting me do every crazy thing that I've always wanted to do. And thank you for supporting me all throughout. Happy Mother's Day.
Thank you, dear.
And ask them to like, share, and subscribe the video.
Yes, please do like, share, and subscribe the video.
Because she is really more invested in this than I am. Thank you. That's the sweetest thing. And ask them to
I have no work at home, and this is my only
I have a
investment.
lot of work. Okay, ask them to stay home and stay safe.
Stay home, stay safe.
Until next time, believe in yourself because baby,
You've got wings.